Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com, and today we're going to break down the Racer Tour FHH waterproof gloves. FHH waterproof gloves retail for $119.99 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand, we don't update videos for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been redesigned. Jumping to sizing first. I wear a 2X in most common gloves out there. I have a 2X on right now. These things feel great right out of the bag. Perfect place to start. Tour FHH, what does that stand for? 4 heated hand grips. So what Racer has done here, right, is they've tried to develop a glove that really, you could use it without heated hand grips, of course, right? But they tried to develop a glove that really lent itself to riders that are riding with heated hand grips to extend, right, their riding season. On the back of the hand, they're using 6 ounces of Polar Tech insulation. On the palm and the fingers, they're using only 2 ounces. Less there gives you better feel, and also it makes the heated handlebar grips more efficient. Better transfer energy, it's going to work to keep your hands warmer. The back of the hand, that is what is in the wind. You've got your Aqua Point windproof, waterproof membrane to help block the wind, and then you have that additional insulation on the back. It's going to work to keep you warmer. Beyond that, we have a hybrid chassis here, right? We have a leather chassis with some textile. We have reflectives on it for visibility, motion panels in all the right places, padding across the knuckles, all the fingers. In the palm, we have an additional overlay here in the impact area with some foam to manage impact. To keep the surface life of the glove higher, we have an overlay in this area. We're going to be touching the grips. One, we're going to be grabbing the brake lever. Safety strap here at the wrist. This is the strap that actually holds the glove on if you happen to have it get off. Having that strap secured is going to help keep the glove on your hand. And then, of course, the gauntlet adjuster up here at the top. With a glove like this, you're going to want to have the flexibility of being able to go over the sleeve or inside of the sleeve. If you're riding in rain, right, obviously you don't want to have this over the sleeve of the jacket because the water will literally run down the sleeve of the jacket into the waterproof glove, where it's going to turn into basically a bucket and hold all the water. So you have the flexibility if you want to go over. They're big enough to do that with many jackets out there. And then they're thin enough in that area to very easily just tidy this up. You can see how snug you can get that and easily get the jacket to go over the top of it. Lots of dexterity in the wrist. These wear nice and light. And one of the things that impressed me with these too is the way they did the liner. The liner is not pulling out, right, when you pull your hand out of the glove. Some of the waterproof stuff that I've reviewed over the years, and I'll call it out when they don't get it right, it pulls the liner out, and every time you go to put your hands in, it's just a gigantic pain in the ass. Racer really got it right with this. These are a nice, affordable piece. Even if you don't have heated handlebar grips, but you want a glove that offers some feel, some windproof, some waterproof, some insulation, so you can, kind of extend your riding season a little bit, like those of us who are here in Michigan. You get those early spring days, those late fall days, especially the beginning and the end of the day, it can be pretty cool outside. And if you don't have some type of a windproof insulated glove, it just makes the riding miserable. This would also be a good addition to somebody's glove collection who wants to extend the season of riding. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right glove for your next ride.